is everyone?
Woo! Woo! Super Bowl! Yeah!
So we are gonna actually.
Sorry.
I actually did not expect that.
To be honest, I don't even like football. I'm here for the wings.
Yeah.
I really don't care.
Guys, today we wanted to share with you our game day barbecue wings. And it's a dry rub. We're gonna work on the crispiness of the wings.
Yes.
Because no one really likes
Soggy
wings. So
No. I know.
we're gonna get our crispy chicken wings on.
Oh, I'm ready.
Actually,
And-
who knows who's actually playing in the Super Bowl?
That's a good
No.
question.
You
It's
tell
funny
me. I'm sure you paid more
because
attention. Go
I
ahead.
really actually.
I know the Chiefs and the Buccaneers, and I only know that because I googled it.
Wait, how on
I'm
earth
just
did
saying,
the two of them make
someone, yeah.
it? Was
You know
everybody
what?
else asleep? We're sick.
No,
I don't know.
No New York team, so you know.
Hey, to be
I could
completely
cheer for
honest,
anybody.
But we
everybody's
just
like,
never-
football! Yeah, great! I'm like, give me the freaking wings.
Again, we always
Sorry.
we were relegated to martial arts when we were young.
God,
Dad, he
lacrosse.
played football,
Violent.
lost it.
Oh, yeah.
In honor of Dad,
He's
that
all
was his
about it.
helmet.
All about
that
it.
was Dad's
Yep.
helmet, guys. Shout out.
When he was a kid, he
How
was actually a
cute.
really good football player.
How cute.
But
But
amazing, we actually. Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyways, okay, back to the wings.
back to
the
barbecue.
Because we know
chicken
nothing
wing,
about football.
Yeah.
dry
Homeschool.
rub. But yeah, although we know nothing about football, we're hoping that we can make your game day chicken wing treat extra special and
Yes.
crispy.
So first step,
We have all of our ingredients, but we're not going to
we're not going to talk about this.
add
Oh.
any of the ingredients just
Oh.
yet because these are going to be a twice bake. So
So
we're
it's
gonna
kind of
take-
like a slow game day dry rub yumminess.
So it's okay if your wings are still frozen.
Are you sure
Not a
those two are
problem.
playing in the Super Bowl?
Look it up.
Okay.
It's
Hey,
called
we
Google.
have extra
Oh, wait.
helpers.
Wait. Ah! Brindle.
While you two are duking it out over who's
Okay,
playing.
here, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I believe you. I trust you.
So back to the wings. If you want extra crispiness, it's best
Oh, wait.
to have a pan
Oh, wait. Chiefs and Buccaneers.
That-
My eyes deceive?
Who's your money on?
All right, everyone, you're gonna have to let us know in the comments who you're voting for,
Yeah.
who you're rooting for, all that good stuff.
Nobody.
But yeah, all
Wings.
the
I'm
jargon,
rooting for wings.
terminology for football, yeah, it's just not
Great.
there.
We're so sorry to all of our friends and family out there. You all who are Super Bowl and sports fanatics, we're sorry. We are not up on it. We are
No.
doing our best to try to get better at that.
Anyway,
Not
everybody,
even trying.
we hope
No.
that you hit a goal, with these wings. Anyway,
Thank you
So-
for that.
getting back to the crispiness,
Okay.
which is what the main part of these wings is going to be. With the pan, you don't want the wings to just be right in the pan, just soaking in its juices as it's cooking. You want the fat to drip. So if you don't have a pan that has slits for the top
My
portion,
favorite sometimes.
if you have a cookie cooling rack, you can just put that in your pan so that it creates some space underneath so that the fat can drip. So fear not if you don't have a pan like this. So anyway, today we are probably we're gonna use both so that you can see how both work. But this initial for the twice bake, we're gonna take the wings. Thank you, sir. We're going to Sibs, if you'd like to help. We're gonna just spread them right out on the rack.
Here, let me just hold this pan down in case it wants to run away.
Thank you.
Also, my second language is also sarcasm. So,
Wait, that was my first.
dude, popped out sarcastic.
Yes.
As you can
Doctor's
tell,
like, good job. And we're like,
we
really?
enjoy
Really?
sarcasm. So these are a little bit more labor intense, but fear not,
Sorry.
it's still easy and simple. So we're gonna put these
Sorry,
in.
just in case you're too warm. You know,
Thank you,
you're
thank
slaying
you.
it. So,
We're gonna get to eat these, baby, to answer your question in about 2 hours.
sweet.
But these guys are gonna go in. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be worth the wait, everyone.
Hey,
So we're gonna put these frozen
if
babies
the fat be dripping, I be tripping. I'm so sorry. Okay, yep.
Just-
never
That's
mind.
All
pretty
right.
good.
What
So
is
we're
the temperature?
setting our temp for 275. So it's again low and slow because it's a reverse sear, which you may have heard before. So the reverse sear is you are actually searing the inside so that it's juicy, tender, and then the second bake is going to be jacked up heat to 475 to get the crispy outside.
Get jacked!
Anyway,
Okay, sorry.
first things first, let's put these still frozen babies in the oven, 275. We're gonna let them be in there for about an hour. Okay, so be patient, wait, and then when they come on out, we're gonna get you to the next
So wait,
step.
I'm gonna have to wait an hour?
Relax, you'll be fine.
It'll be worth the wait.
I don't know if I can make it.
All right, extra helpful tip, as you're putting these babies in, you wanna make sure that you have them close to the top rack as you can. So if you have to re-maneuver your oven to accommodate that, I suggest you do, just because if it's on the bottom, it's not getting optimal heat. So once you put these babies in, you got them on the top racks, let them sit for an hour, let those wings fly. Enjoy, see you in a bit. All right, oven mitts on. Let your wings fly. Taking these babies out. Woohoo! First sear.
And all of those babies.
First batch. And second batch. And this one you can really see all the juices and fats that are on the bottom of the pan, not making your wings soggy. So that has been achieved. All right, everyone.
I'm so chubby, chubby, chubby.
All right, everybody, so we've
All right.
got our lovely first baked chicken wings. We are gonna now get the dry rub together. So first, you are going to mix all of your ingredients into a bowl. So this guy, we're actually gonna leave, so this is the, so secret ingredient, guys. We have the cornstarch that's gonna help keep drying out and crisp the chicken wings in the end of all of this. So first we're gonna add, if you want, smoked chipotle powder is wonderful as well, but we just have regular chipotle powder. So it's 1 teaspoon chipotle powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of the chili powder, and a half teaspoon of pepper.
And this is for about roughly 24 wings.
Yes.
So, I don't know exactly.
So hopefully in the measurements,
Yeah.
hopefully that'll help. We have a teaspoon of the garlic powder.
Is that really
Actually, no,
Like a
I'm sorry.
tablespoon.
Guys, I think that was actually 2 teaspoons.
Oh, okay.
I didn't get all the measurements memorized in my head because typically, again, we just like to go
That was
by
just
eye.
But you did write it down before you've done all
Yeah,
this, and now
so
you're doing it by memory.
We'll
so-
get you the right measurements.
Yeah, everything will be in the
I
comments.
do know this was a
Eyeball
teaspoon
everything.
and a half of salt. That also helps break down the chicken and the mucilage. So then I do like working with my fingers and my hands, so just feel free to mix it all together.
Mangle it.
Sibs.
Mangle it.
Do you guys like mixing things with your hands? I think Jana
I just touched my butt. so
has
it's
the
probably not
adverse
good.
effect. All right, so
Here, you want
everybody, smell
That
barbecue
smells like
life.
poop.
Nice. That's like.
Why are
That
you
smells
so
good
gross?
though.
Barbecue.
That smells good. Not my hand, but that.
So now that it's mixed, you can also just take a fork and mix it all in. So
style.
now, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken wings. Those wings are flying. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just dump all the seasoning, on these lovely
More like a
babies.
drizzle. That was not so much of a dump.
Sprinkle,
That was a sprinkle shakey shake.
sprinkle, dump, shake,
I'll call it
whatever.
a sprinkle dinkle.
Sprinkle and shake. Now you're gonna, again, I like my hands, you could take a spoon, but just coat these guys, mix them around. Anyway, here are these babies, coated nicely. We're gonna let these rest for about 15-20 minutes, and we'll see you back. in
Going down.
just
The little
a
babies are
moment.
going down for a nap.
Ready, guys? Touchdown! Oh, yeah. So once you've added all your ingredients, cornstarch and all, give it a good mix with the hands or toss with a spoon. And again, this is the drying agent. This helps it crisp up when it's in the oven for the second bake. So mix that around, and then we're gonna just let that all sit for 15 minutes, letting the goodies and the goodness fill the chicken wings and get that good flavor in there.
Yeah, so then the halftime show is pretty important. So be on the lookout for our halftime show.
Halftime.
This is what they do in the NFL before a game. They like to pad up, you know? What the professionals do, so they don't get hurt.
Yeah, you're just Tom Brady, all right.
Where's my Giselle Bundchen?
She ran far away. Sorry.
I don't know about this. I have a bad feeling.
I'm still gonna send it.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna send it. I'm gonna cut these things off of you. Not my pillows, but the wires.
What? Okay, next shoulder.
Sumo time.
Oh, you can't stop this. Jenny's going down. She's going downtown. I'm a professional football player. Friggin' touch me.
You trying to talk
You
smack?
can't touch
You trying
this.
to talk smack?
Yo, I play for
Hey,
the
let's take this out to the
I don't know who I play for, but they're good. They won something.
21
Get
stars.
those little plastic trophies.
You
It's
know
great.
what? It's gonna knock those
Back up,
stars
fool.
off your
Back up,
hat.
fool. You're in freaking heels. What do you expect to do? This heel wearer?
Go ahead. You keep talking
All right.
smack. You ready?
On the line. 32, 47, 98, 30. Data lockers. Hey! Mommy! Yeah! And then I get crapped on by the dog. I'm just gonna lay here a moment and think about my life. Thanks, Chubbs.
All right. Let's get him
My
up.
pillow.
Let's get him up.
Did I make a touchdown?
Okay. Okay. Wing.
Make some chicken wings.
Okay, go ahead. What are we doing next?
Okay, so now we are taking the coated wings and we're putting them back on the pan. So kids, we can just
Chubby.
place these babies over the slots. Just kind of any excess juice. Take those babies
Okay.
and just roll them in there.
I mean, what am I supposed to do with the excess juice under my underarm pits?
You know,
Keep it there.
we may not want to eat that.
I would suggest not to.
Why are you so gross?
May not add extra flavor to that. All right,
Bathe
everybody.
in goat's milk.
That would be really
Okay.
Who's ready
Next
to pop
step.
these babies
There you go.
back in the oven?
Perfect.
I was gonna say back in the wings, but you don't want to do that.
Stick them back in the wings.
You wanna put them back in the oven. All right,
do.
let's
We
go on
do.
over. All right, so as we're putting these babies in the top rack, again, super important. We're gonna let them sit for 20 minutes at 475. After the 20 minutes pass, we're gonna flip. We're gonna take them out, flip your wings around, put them back in for another 20 minutes. See how the desired crispiness is. They may need another 5 or 10 minutes, but we'll start with 40. So anyway, first 20 minutes, flip, another 20 minutes, and then you'll see how it goes. So this is the second round. They've cooked for another 20 minutes, total of 40 minutes. I'd recommend just letting them sit and let the oxygen and the air get to them to crisp them up a little bit more. You can, if you'd like, put them back in for another 5 minutes or so, flip-flopping, just switching pans. But anyway, you can eat these right from the pan or plate them with any sauce of your liking. Kids, now
Shalom.
that our Super Bowl wing feast is ready, we're gonna take a little taste
Part
test.
we've all been waiting for, at least I've been.
Or our dry rub.
You know, guys, because we were just winging it the whole time. Which one?
There you
Just
go.
taste.
Okay.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers to your
Cheers
wing
to you.
fest.
Cheers.
And again, any sauce of your choice. Oh, I just went right in for that. tender on the inside, crispy on the outside. I think it's all right. Not too shabby. We hope you enjoy this on game day.
Or any day.
Seriously.
Honestly, any day. That's for
Try
sure.
it
This is
now.
a fun treat. We hope you enjoy.
That's
Dry
awesome.
rub.
That
Nice
is
baked
really
chicken wings.
We hope you enjoy, everyone.
Cheers.
awesome.
Cheers. See you next time, fam.
They're around.
Okay, good.
More like synthetic.
All right, everyone. Time to get down to business.
Business!
Taking this
Jana,
jacket off.
shot Jana.
I'll be right back. Sorry.
Actually, I don't think it's that hanging.
All right.
That one? Mine? This one?
So we're gonna
Yeah, it's not really like.
roll up.
I'll fix it. Ah! It's like a beached whale.
Can we get this light not in that one?
What?
Because I don't like that light.
Well, you're not gonna be able to see anything otherwise.
No, but I just don't like the look of it. I think it's ugly.
I wish I had this video.
Yeah.
Oh, there
Okay.
you go.
Perfect.
That fixed it. Good job, Jen.
Oh, you're welcome.
Perfect.
Okay, are we good?
No!
We're good-ish.